How to delete all chat messages on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord, log into your account. Then, click on Friends, or select the friend you want to delete message of. Then click on their name at the top, which will open these options. And here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Block. There's no one way to directly delete all chats. You will need to block or remove them as a friend. Click on Block. And then simply reload the site and their chat will be deleted. Also, the friend will be deleted. This is how to delete all chat messages on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.